Hi, WallyRoo. Look what we have today.
Elephants! Look, Froggy! Elephants!
That's right, elephants. It's the Elephant Express train set. They're elephants that run on a track like a train. What do you think, WallyRoo? Do you like it?
Wow! This is the best! Wow!
Today, WallyRoo looked at the Elephant Express train set. It comes with track, elephants, but you're going to have to get your own AA battery. Battery's not included. This is a fun little set, but it has a couple of little problems. The track is very flimsy, and this elephant goes so fast, it has a hard time staying on the track. It didn't take long for us to figure out that this elephant is even more fun if you take it off the track and you just let it go on the table or on the floor. We found this online for around $10, and it shipped all the way from the UK. Okay, WallyRoo. Okay, Froggy. What do you think?
Elephants are so cool! Yay!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Look, Lucky! Wow! Yay!
Whoa, be careful, WallyRoo. And you be careful too, Froggy.
I love elephants!
WallyRooTV.